This is the video for your problem D on your worksheet. We are looking at a different kind of collision. Here you can see you have two objects that are moving forward, they collide, and then they're moving forward at different velocities. So since they hit and then they bounce off of each other and they stay separate, that is called an elastic collision. Elastic because they bounce. Remember that momentum equals mass times velocity, and the conservation of momentum tells us that whatever momentum you start with must equal the momentum that you end with after the collision. In this case, we are going to treat it as two separate objects on both sides. So we have m1 v1 plus m2 v2 for the before, and it must equal m1 v1 plus m2 v2 on the after side. So I start plugging in my numbers. We get 10 times 6 plus 3 times 3, which equals 10v. We are solving for the velocity of this object, plus 3 times 9. And I start simplifying. 60 plus 9 equals 10v plus 27. Since this smaller object sped up, I think it is safe to assume that this larger object probably slowed down. So we will look for that in our calculations. 69 equals 10v plus 27. Subtract 27 from both sides. And I have 10v equals 42. And that means that when I divide both sides by 10, my velocity equals 4.2 meters per second. The object did slow down, and that makes sense. So our answer is correct.